All right, all right. Good afternoon, everyone. Ali Safi here, Safi Financial Network. Here is the quick update for Alibaba. You know that Alibaba had a tremendous rally to the upside. We were kind of like a spot on last video. I mentioned about this rally, and sure enough, we got this rally, pretty nice rally, and we accumulate lots of shares at 83, $80 here, right at this level here. And we just had a nice 5 weeks to the upside. Tremendous rally, good rally. Congratulations for all those folks who are participating in this. So where are we now and what's going to be the next? So remember we were talking about $114 and Alibaba just closed above it. Remember above $120, which is fantastic level for sellers just because the last previous times, every single time when a stock got here, sellers just smash it down. They made lots of profit out of short positions. But I would say the game is gonna change right now, and we may see some kind of like a potential pullback to this 150 and 140, and getting back to the upside. But I just want to warn you folks. Lots of people are saying potentially Alibaba is getting back to new all-time high or something like that. Or let me just um, delete this stuff here. Yeah, so Alibaba can get to double top here or even new all-time high. We can say something about bottom here, but I'm not sure about the rally because we have lots of I would say selling pressure in these levels. So 200, that's very important level, 225. This is very important level. Just look at how market reacted, how Alibaba reacted, and after that it just went all the way down to $60 area here, even 56. And right now, I would say even if we get rally to the upside, we may see some kind of like a sellers again coming back, 138 to 172. So that's the level that I have at least for now. Even if we go to very simple method, I'm not gonna make this video complicated. I just want to make it simple. Even if we go with this Fibonacci tool here, so when we get to 38% to 50%, even 23%, right now we are just at resistance here in 119. So that's why price is kind of like a rejecting that 120 and it cannot get close above it. By the way, this video is recorded on Thursday. So if you watch it on weekend, so we don't have like a clear picture of what happens on Friday. But I assume that it's going to be the same. Even if we get close above this, we may see some kind of like a pullback. And then the next rally is going to be 138 to 172. The kind of like juicy price is going to be 158. So if we get 158, I would say it's better for sellers to take control and sell some position or at least take profit some. Just because, and after that, I'm not sure if price can go higher and higher, especially at this environment, folks. When we have this trade war, when we have these tariffs, China, US, Europe, everything is kind of like roller coaster, guys. So we don't want to just take too much risk on it, especially for Baba, which has been here like for a long time after 2022 when it started just going all the way down here. I should say 2021. So now after 4 years, stock just shows sign of life. So even if you have like a share here or somewhere around here, I would say 158, that's going to be the area that we need to kind of like be cautious about the next rally. All right. So by the way, for the short term, we see that stochastic in the weekly chart, it's getting back to oversold condition, and also RSI is getting back to the oversold condition. So this doesn't mean that we are topped. This means that we may see some kind of like a sellers or kind of like a people are taking profit, and profit takers are gonna put pressure on this stock. So this is a weekly chart. Let's save it. Go to daily chart. So daily chart is kind of like the scenario exactly as we kind of like I mentioned before. So this is the area, 100 area. So it's just breaking through nicely, getting back to this resistance here. Lots of resistance here. So lots of sellers are gonna take control just because they get into break even and they want to sell and run away. So that's why I just put a pressure on this. We may see some kind of like a pressure going back down to $100, or we may see some kind of like a rally to the upside, 137 to 158. Again, this box, this pink box, velvet, pink, purple, whatever you want to call it. So this one is very, very important. I would say probably March to April, May, we're gonna see the top here. This is a huge gap. This is lots of sellers actually are gonna be here. This is strong demand area. So 138 to 158. That's the area that I think you should just consider take profit. By the way, I almost sold 80% of my position just because I bought here. I bought here, folks, and my average price actually is here. I have like lots of different time frames, but my average was 83, so I sold 80% of my positions just at 119. The rest 20% is gonna be here. If it goes here, I'm gonna just book it, fully close my position, and that's it. All right, folks, this is Alibaba. Hope you like it. If you like it, please smash the like button. Put your comments down there. I'm gonna read all your comments and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.